How to add bank account on WhatsApp. Are you guys facing issues to add bank account on your WhatsApp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the icon for cards. Click on it. If it's not available on your region, click on join the waitlist. If it's available on your region, then you can see the option for add card. From there you can add your bank cards, and that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add bank account on WhatsApp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.